In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the upload date shown in Google Drive by re-uploading your file in a way that gives it a new timestamp. Now, it's important to understand one thing right away. Google Drive does not let you directly edit or override the original upload date of a file. That information is set automatically when the file is first added to your drive. However, there is a simple workaround that effectively gives your file a new upload date by replacing it with a fresh version. Start by opening Google Drive in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, locate the file whose upload date you want to change. You can either scroll through your folders or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by name or file type. When you've found the file, right-click on it to open the context menu. Here, look for the option that says something like Manage Versions. This is where Google Drive keeps track of different versions of the same file without changing the link or its position in your folders. Click on Manage Versions, and a small window will appear showing you the current version of the file, along with the date and time it was uploaded. To give this file a new upload timestamp, click the button that says Upload New Version. This will open a file picker on your computer. Now, choose the updated file you want to use. This can be the same file you downloaded and maybe slightly edited, or a completely new file with the same name and format. Once you've selected it, confirm the upload. Google Drive will now replace the old version with the new one, while keeping the same file entry in your drive. After the upload finishes, you'll see the new version listed at the top of the versions window, along with the current date and time. This serves as the new effective upload date for that file. You can close the versions window, and when you look at the file details in Drive, you'll see that the modified or version date reflects the recent upload. A quick tip: this method is especially useful if you've shared the file link with others. Because you're only replacing the version, the link stays exactly the same, but anyone who opens it will now see the most recently uploaded version, with the updated date shown in the version history.